I have heard this question so many times over the phone calls or messages, and the question is that, ma'am, is English grammar necessary for learning English speaking skill or not? So, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to divide this video into two part. First part, I will discuss about no part. No, English grammar is not necessary for learning English speaking skill. And second part, I'm going to discuss my opinion. Yes, English grammar is necessary for learning English speaking skill. So, Jai Shri Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita, and how are you doing, guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, in today's video I'm going to discuss on this topic, like is English grammar important for learning this language or not? Okay, so without any delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till then, don't skip the video. Okay friends, so let's get into the topic. So this is a very common question: is English grammar necessary for learning this language or not? Okay, now I'm going to give my opinion in the no part. No, English grammar is not necessary for learning this language. Why I am saying here no part, no English grammar is not necessary? Because think about how did we learn our native language? We learn our native language by proactively. Okay, because at that time you were not going any college or any institute for learning your language grammar rules. Okay, you learned your language, your native language, by observing, while listening, by surrounding. So yes, I can say here that English grammar is not necessary for learning English speaking skill. But there is a point. Okay, you should immerse yourself totally in that language that you want to learn. Then you can learn this language without knowing any grammar rules. So yes, here I'm going to give you example. All the kids who immerse, who are growing in their English language, and they can easily learn this language without knowing their grammar rules. But we are not, because we are not living in a English speaking country. We are not living in a area, any our atmosphere are not in English. Okay, so yes, we can say English grammar is not necessary for learning this language, but you have to live in that situation where all all the arounds, all the surrounding involved in English. Then English grammar is not necessary. Okay, all the kids learn English grammar rule by speaking in English. Slowly all the grammars rule they can easily understand. But my dear friend, you are living in a country where English is not your native language. Our native language is Hindi, Tamil, Telugu. There are different languages in India. English is not our native language. Okay, so for this, for learning English speaking is skill, it's very important to know some grammar rules. Here I'm not saying that all the grammar rules is important. No, not so much. But yes, there are three things that are very important for learning English speaking skill. First thing is, sentence construction. How to construct a sentence, it's very important. Okay, it's very important how to construct a sentence. If you don't know how to make a sentence, then how can you deliver your thoughts? Because you have to deliver your thoughts in a sentence. Okay, so for this you should know some grammar rules on how to make a sentence. Then second thing is very important, that is preposition. That is very important. And third thing, some modal verbs. If you know these three things, then you can easily understand in English. Then you can easily deliver your thoughts in English. Okay, here I'm not saying that you should know some all the you should know all the grammar rules, then you can easily speak in English. No. Okay, For speaking English, there are some few rules are enough. Okay, so what are they? First thing is that sentence construction. You should know how to construct a sentence in English. You should know how to use this modal verb in this sentence. You should know how to use this preposition, because when you use one single preposition in a word, okay, then all the meaning are different by using preposition. Okay, so yes, there are three things are very important for learning English speaking skill. Now here I'm going to give you an example. When I was learning this language, so I was thinking, okay, if I know some all the grammars rule, then I will speak in English. I was thinking at that time, and yes, I was not improving in my speaking terms. So what I did, I started to speak. More I speak, so better I become slowly. So you should work in the same way. I mean to say, you have to learn English by proactively. How? So speak, then you will know some grammar rules. More you speak, so better you become. Slowly, gradually. Okay, so for this you should start speaking in English from the day first. You don't need to wait. Okay, I will learn some grammar rules, then I will speak in English. What happened? You are thinking too much about the grammar rules. Okay, if I speak in English, then I will make some mistakes in English, then people will laugh at me. Don't think about it. Actually, this is the thing, this is the mentality, that and because of this concern, because of this mentality, you are not improving in speaking terms. So forget about all the myths, forget about all the laughing and mocking. You should work on only on speaking terms. More you speak, so better you become fluent in English, because when you speak in English, so your mouth muscles, your jaw muscles, your yeah, still your you know muscle memory will be working at that time. Okay, so try to speak more you speak, better you become day by day, and after 1 month you will feel, okay, my English is improving, and I feel more confident in English. But if you really want to that English serve to you, then you have to work on it. First you have to serve English, then English will serve you, believe me. Okay, slowly, okay, initially time you feel more difficult, more it's very difficult language, I can't speak in English, because there are different kind of grammar rules. I can't learn these types of grammar rules, it's so terrific language, it's so difficult language, because you are thinking too much about the grammar rules. So first, there is a suggestion. You should only focus on speaking. Speak out whatever sentence, whatever words comes in your mind, try to speak out without any hesitation. Okay, it happens in a initially time that you are making different kind of mistakes, but you have to face all the things, you have to face all the mistakes. Without making mistakes, you can't fluent in English, believe me. This is the same like other learning skill. In initially time, all the things are going to terrify you. You feel more stress, you feel more shivering. Okay, I have to do this work, but think about after some times, all the thing that you learned, you feel, oh, it's very easy. So just like English, after sometimes you will feel, okay, it's very easy language, I can easily speak in English in front of the public. But initially time you have to face some different kind of difficulties, and you should take a warrior, warrior concern, warrior thing. You are not a coward that who is going to give your journey by coming first obstacle on this journey. You are a brave. person. Think about it and show your courage and try to speak out whatever sentence, whatever words comes in your mind. Don't think so much about the grammar. Okay, all the grammar rules, all the things, all the slowly come to you, but you should start speaking English from the day first. Okay, so yes, I hope you found your answer, and if you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will meet you, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.